Okay, so as in the last video we have discussed about the conclusion of the Rutherford atomic model, right? He did alpha particle scattering experiment and we have read about the conclusion of the Rutherford atomic model as well. Now we are going to discuss about the defects of the Rutherford atomic model. Why did it get failed, right? So as you can see, today we are going with our topic of defects of Rutherford atomic model. So the first defect which he could not explain was he could not explain the stability of an atom, right? We know that when electron revolves around the nucleus, it should be stable, but he could not explain that. Now, as you can see, what we have read in his conclusion theory, that electron is a charged particle, negatively charged particle, and it revolves around the positive charged particle, right? So here we have electron and it revolves around the positive charge particle. It revolves around the positive charge particle. In his theory we have read that, but according to the Maxwell electromagnetic theory, what did he say? He said that any accelerated charge particle will emit out radiations and will lose energy. If this electron, now see, electron is the accelerated charge particle, right? It is changing its direction, means it is velocity is changing, means this is accelerated, right? So this is what accelerated, wait, let me write. This is accelerated charge particle, right? This is accelerated charge particle. And according to the Maxwell electromagnetic theory, he says that any accelerated charge particle will emit out radiation and will lose energy, right? Any accelerated charge particle revolving around the nucleus will emit out radiation and will lose energy. Means if it will gonna lose its energy, it must be like this, right? Wait, let me make it a bit more easier. It's okay like this, right? And it would have collided with the nucleus, right? Since it will gonna lose its energy, it will gonna emit out the radiations, then it must have collided with the nucleus, and if it would have collided with the nucleus, this atom would have been destroyed, right? But it's not like that. In actual, the atom isn't stable, right? And that would be further explained by the Neil Bohr, how the atom is stable and like why isn't it emitting out radiations and losing energy, and why it isn't falling down to the nucleus, right? So here we have just got that he could not explain the stability of an atom. He could not explain stability of an atom. Let me highlight this, right? With something very dark. Okay. Okay. So he could not explain the stability of an atom due to electromagnetic theory of Maxwell, right? So now, as you can see, the second defect of Rutherford atomic model, that he could not explain the discrete spectrum, or you can say discontinuous spectrum, line spectrum. He cannot explain that of hydrogen gas, right? If I have taken the hydrogen gas in the container, as you can see here, this, right? I have taken the hydrogen gas in the container. When I am giving it a light, right? This is the light. Wait. This is the light, right? This is visible light, which will gonna pass by the medium, and it will gonna spread in its particular colors which it is made up of, right? It is composed of 7 colors. We know that visible light is made up of 7 colors. So if it is passed by the medium, there should be 7 colors here, right? but we have not gotten 7 colors, we have just gotten 5 colors. Means there are something, means if I have gotten 5, right, 2 are missing, 2 colors are missing, because we know that 7 colors are there in total, but there here we have gotten 5 colors, means 2 more colors are missing, means it has absorbed those 2 colors. That's why we have not gotten that. Now line spectrum has 2 more types, the emission spectrum and the absorption spectrum, right? Wait, let me write here. It has 2 more spectrums, emission spectrum and absorption spectrum. Absorption spectrum, right? So this, on the right hand side, as you can see these 5 colors, this is the type of emission spectrum, right? When you're gonna take this container and you're gonna cool it down, when you're gonna cool it down, there would be more colors production as well, as like 2 colors are remaining, and those 2 colors then will be produced. Those will be known as absorption spectrum. So he could not explain the line or the discrete spectrum of an hydrogen, and he cannot explain the stability of an atom. These both were further explained by the Neil Bohr. Now we're gonna discuss about Neil Bohr atomic model in our next video.